today I'll be showing you guys how to paint your nails yellow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your thumb, your index finger, and your pinky finger yellow. My Instagram is linked in the description below. Do a second coat. For your flower petals, you will take your dotting tool or your bobby pin and do them around in a circle for the petals and do how many ever flowers you would like. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the end screen. Now for the flower petals for the other nail. Now for the pistil of the flower, you will take the same dotting tool or bobby pin and put dots in the middle of the flowers you made. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.